Hello everyone. I welcome you all to KRLCom CBSE School Module online classes. In previous class I completed exercise 7.1. So today I will continue with exercise 7.2 first problem. So this is the diagram they have given for first problem and what they have given here in problem. In an isosceles triangle ABC, this is an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. This AB is equal to AC. Given AB is equal to AC. The angle bisector of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So here in diagram. Sorry, this is the diagram they have given for problem number 2. So here what they have given, angle bisector of angle B here. This is the bisector of angle B and this is bisector of angle C. Intersect each other at O. Means these two intersect at point O. Join A to O. Now we will join A to O. This is O. Show that first one OB is equal to OC. Second AO bisect angle A. Here again, what they are given? This is the isosceles triangle ABC with this AB is equal to BC, where AB is equal to BC. The bisectors of B and C. So these are the bisectors of angle B and angle C. Intersect each other at O. Means these two intersect at point O. Angle bisectors of angle B and C intersect each other at point O and join A to O. Now we will join this A to O. Show that OB is equal to OC. This OB is equal to OC and AO. This is the angle bisector of AO bisects angle A. So now first what I will do, OB, we have to prove OB is equal to OC. To prove this, first one, OB is equal to OC. To prove this, they are given AB is equal to AC. Therefore, here AB is equal to AC. They have given this. Okay. Now, angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Why? Here I will write angle ACB. This angle ACB is equal to angle ABC because these are the angles. These two are the angles opposite to equal sides. These two are equal sides. They have given AB is equal to AC. Therefore, opposite angles B and angle C. These two are opposite to these two equal sides. Therefore, this angle and this angle equal to each other. Therefore, angles opposite to equal side. These are angle opposite to equal side. Okay. So now, what I will do to prove OB is equals to OC, I will multiply half 1 by 2 to both sides. Here I will write 1 by 2 into ACB. 1 by 2 into ACB is equal to 1 by 2 into ABC. So if you cancel 1 by 2, 1 by 2, you will get angle ACB is equal to angle ABC only. So now 1 by 2 angle ACB means 1 by 2 angle ACB means what you will get? Angle OCB. 1 by 2 angle ACB means you can write angle OCB because this OC is bisector of angle C. Therefore, this angle and this angle equal to each other. Therefore, 1 by 2 angle ACB means I will write here angle OCB. Angle OCB. Like this only 1 by 2 angle ABC. Angle ABC. 1 by 2 means I will write here OBC. Angle OBC. So now this angle OBC and OCB, these two angles are equal to each other. Then we can write opposite to these two equal angles. Opposite to these two equal angles means opposite sides of these two angles. Opposite to angle B, OC is the equal side, and opposite to this angle OB. So now I can write OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC because sides opposite to equal angles. Sides opposite to equal angles. Here these two angles are equal. Now we can write these two sides are equal. See here again what we did to prove OB is equal to OC. First I have written AB is equal to AC. What I have given? If AB is equal to AC, then we can write angle ACB is equal to angle ABC because these two angles are angles opposite to equal sides. These two are equal sides and opposite angles are these two. Therefore, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now, I will multiply 1 by 2 to both sides of the angles. So if you cancel again 1 by 2, 1 by 2, you will get angle ACB is equal to angle ABC only. So here I will multiply 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 into angle ACB means I can write here angle OCB. Therefore 1 by 2 angle ACB means here in diagram ACB means I will write here angle OCB. Here angle OCB is equal to 1 by 2 angle ABC means here I can write angle OBC. Here I will write angle OBC. Now this angle is equal to this angle. So now we can write side OB is equal to OC because these are the sides opposite to equal angles. Hence we proved OB is equal to OC. Okay. Now we will move to the second one. AO bisects angle A. To prove this, I will consider angle OAB and OAC. Angle OAB and OAC. Here, in triangle OAB and triangle OAC. Here is triangle OAB and OAC. First, here OA is common to both triangles. Triangle OAB also has OA. Like this one, the triangle OAC also has side OA. Therefore, here I will write OA is equal to OA, which is common in both triangles. This is common in both triangles. Now, what we can do? Here, they have given side AB is equal to AC. They have given this AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Given in problem only. Now remaining side is OB in triangle OAB, OC in triangle OAC. So now OB is equal to OC we can write because it is proved in first one. In first problem of first main problem we proved OB is equal to OC. Therefore here we can write remaining side OB is equal to OC. This is from 1. Here OB is equal to OC. So here all the sides are equal to each other, means OA is common, they have given AB is equal to AC, and we proved OB is equal to OC. Now we can write triangle OAB, therefore triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OAC by side means yes, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Then if these two triangles means OAB and OAC are congruent to each other, then this angle OAB is equal to angle OAC, means this angle and this angle. Therefore, we can write angle OAB is equal to angle OAC because of CBCT. Means these two angles are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. These two triangles are congruent. So now we can write angle OAB is equal to angle OAC. Means these two angles are equal because of CPCT. Means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So now we can write AO bisect angle A. If this angle OAB, this angle is equals to angle OAC, this equals to this angle, then this is the median line. So now we can say that AO, this line AO bisect means divide equally, bisect angle A, bisect angle A. Here again, to prove AO bisects angle A, what we did, we considered triangle OAB and OAC. Here they have given AB is equal to AC and OA is common in both the triangles, and in first one we proved OB is equal to OC. Therefore, from side, these two triangles are congruent to each other, triangle OAB and OAC. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, then we can write angle OAB, means this angle is equal to angle OAC, this angle. If these two angles are equal to each other by CPCT, means corresponding parts of congruent triangles, then we can write, if these two angles are equal, then this line AO or OA, this line bisects angle A. Therefore, AO bisects angle A. Okay, this is the first problem. Now I will move to the second one. So this is the second problem. They are given this diagram, and what they are asking here, in triangle ABC, is triangle AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. This AD is perpendicular bisector of side BC. This AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. This AB is equals to AC. Therefore, we have to prove AB is equals to AC. If AB is equal to AC, then this triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So to prove this, I will consider these two triangles ADC, ADB and ADC. Here in triangle ADC and ADB, here what we can write here, first in these two triangles I have to prove these two triangles as congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT these two sides are equal to each other. Then we can say that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, first we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. To prove this, what we can do first, this line AD is common to both triangles, triangle ADB and ADC. Both the triangles have AD as the common side. So now here I can write AD is equals to AD because it is common to both triangles. Okay. So now what we can write again? This is perpendicular bisector of side BC. This AD is perpendicular bisector of side BC. This is 90 degree. Angle ADB is 90 degree. They have given this. If this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. And they have given that this is perpendicular bisector of BC. Means now we can write angle ADC, angle ADC, this angle, this is angle ADC is equal to angle ADB, angle ADB, because these two angles are 90 degree only. Each angle is 90 degree. Or you can write this AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Therefore, these two angles are 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal to each other. Now again, this side is common and these two angles are equal to each other because this is perpendicular bisector. Now to prove these two triangles as congruent, what we can write? Here we can write CD is equal to BD. CD is equal to BD. Why this CD is equal to BD? Because they have given that in problem this AD is perpendicular bisector of side opposite side means BC. Bisector means this AD will divide BC equally into two parts. Therefore, if it divides equally, then this CD is equal to BD. Here AD is perpendicular bisector of side BC. Therefore, this AD is equal to BD. Now, here one side AD is common to both the triangles and these two angles are equal to each other because this is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular to side BC. Therefore, these two angles are 90 degree only, and like this only, this AD is the bisector of side BC means perpendicular bisector of side BC means CD is equal to BD. Therefore, this is the side, angle and side. Therefore, what we can write? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADB because of rule side, angle, side means what we can write? S, A, S. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. So now this side is common, these two sides are equal, then remaining side is AB and AC. These two sides, these are corresponding sides and these two are congruent triangles. Therefore we can write this AB is equal to AC. Here I will write AB is equal to AC. If this AB is equal to AC, then why this AB is equal to AC? Here I will write because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles because of CPCT. Therefore, now we can write triangle ABC is an isosceles. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because here this AB is equals to AC. Okay. So now I will move to the third problem. This is the diagram they are given for third problem, and they are given that ABC is isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle in which altitude B and CF, this B and CF are drawn equal to sides AC and AB. Sides, these two sides are drawn equal to sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. Therefore, we have to show that these two altitudes are equal. So here, to prove BE is equal to this BE is equal to CF, we have to prove BE is equal to CF. To prove this, what we can write here? I will consider two triangles ABE and AFC. AEB, AFC. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, then by CPCT we can write BE is equal to CF. To prove that, in triangle AEB, in triangle AEB, in triangle AEB and AFC, triangle AFC, what we can write here? Angle AEB is equal to AB and AFC are 90 degree here. Angle AEB, angle AFC, these two angles are 90 degree. So here I will write angle AEB is equal to angle AEC. Because these two angles are 90 degree, they are given in problem only, these are perpendicular. Therefore, each angle is 90 degree here. And here angle A is common. Because this angle A is common in both triangle AEB and AFC. Therefore, angle A is common in both triangles. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle A. Again, what they have given? This side AB is equal to AC. This is an isosceles triangle, and they have given that side AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, which is given. Okay. So now you can write that therefore triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC. If these two triangles are congruent to each other, then remaining sides, this CF and BE, are corresponding parts of these two triangles. Therefore, now we can write BE is equal to CF because of CPCD. These are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So we prove B is equal to CF. I hope you all are clear with these problems, these three problems. Next class, I will continue with the fourth problem. Thank you all.